What's up guys, how's it going? This is Kshitij,
And I'm Tanya.
and in today's video we'll be discussing how to find a job in Canada. So stay tuned. If you do like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, Kshitij Tanya Vlogs.
When you're coming to Canada, the first thing that you would want is to find a job. And I know when you're coming, it could be a little bit hard. So that's why we decided to make this vlog as to guide you how to find a job in Canada. So the first thing is to go the usual way. There would be some companies where you would be interested to work in. So the key is to go to the career section and apply there with your resume. And here Canadian resume is different, so make sure you're googling how the resume is different as to what we make back home in India. So make your resume the Canadian way, and then there's a cover letter as well where you're putting in a gist of all your qualification and why you want to be considered for that job. So do it right and apply on the career section of your chosen company.
So now I'll be discussing the second step, like second way how you can find a job in Canada. So as Tanya told you that you can get a resume first, right? And after that, we'll take it forward. What you can do is if you're coming to Canada, you might be an engineer, a chartered accountant, or a doctor as well. But here they don't consider you as a CA or a doctor right away. You have to clear exams. To break through, you have to clear the exam. So if you're moving into Canada, you have to start with a basic job. So for that, you can always print your resume and go retail is the best option, let's put it like that. So you can go store to store and hand over the resumes, but an important tip here is that you should always hand in the resume to the manager, to the assistant manager, so that they know, because when you're handing over the resume to the manager, you get a chance to speak to them and they know your personality right away. So just make sure that you hand over the resume to the manager.
And here I would like to add that here no job is considered less. Everybody is working their way, everybody is working to build a future for themselves.
Yes.
So everybody starts from scratch here. So when you're coming here, you need a Canadian experience, and there's no harm to start with an entry-level job. We have been working in retail. He's a manager, I was a manager. So the point that he suggested, that hand it over to the manager,
always.
That is the best thing, because as managers, when you're coming, we get to know how you are, how your personality is.
Yeah.
So that helps, and we segregate the resumes like that.
Next thing that we'll be discussing is that there's another way where you can find a job. I personally I have a friend, he did it through that method and it worked. So there's something called CIC, gc.cic, right? I think so. So Job Bank, yeah, it's Job Bank. So there's something called Job Bank. I'll put the link at the bottom, and you can just go over and have a look at the website. So that's a government built website where you can actually, if you are an engineer or whatever you are, you can always refine that job you're looking for, and then whenever there is an opportunity, you will get an email. So that's one of the methods to get a job here in Canada. Again, it's a hit and miss because there are so many fake jobs as well. We'll be discussing everything in detail, step by step, but for now you can consider this as one of the methods to get a job.
Okay, so the fourth point that we would like to discuss is how references and how networking is important to find a job.
Yes.
So sometimes when we are coming to a foreign country, a foreign land, we feel that things would be different from back home, but again, networking works everywhere. So if you know someone, try to connect with them, build more bonds, socialize more, and Facebook, Instagram, use those handles so that you are able to network with the people, and they would surely help you to land wherever you want to. Again, they would not be able to help you in a bigger way because they are themselves working. They would surely guide you, they would surely help you with the references, and they would connect you. So references also works in Canada. like in India. So keep
Reference.
that social networking on.
It's not reference, it's nepotism as of now. So yeah, this was it. This is a pretty I think a basic way to find a job in Canada, and this will work, trust me, because she has an experience of almost 6 years here and I have almost 10 years, so this actually works. And if you have any other questions, just make sure you put it in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to answer all those. For now, don't forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to Kshitij Tanya Vlogs. We'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care, have fun,
Stay safe, stay
Stay
away
safe.
from coronavirus.
and wear mask.
Wear mask.
Bye bye, take care.